In this session, we're going to practice constructing congruent segments and angles. For this, we're going to need our compass and our straight edge. So first we're going to do congruent segments. I'm going to start with segment AB. And I want to construct a congruent segment, segment CD, without using a ruler. This process is 3 steps. First step is I'm going to draw a ray. I'm going to label the endpoint C. And I'm going to get my compass. And I'm going to open the compass, putting the pointed end on A, the pencil on B, and that's my measurement. I'm making sure that I don't change the opening of the compass. Next step, point on C, and I draw a small arc through the ray. Draw a point there and label it D. I'm going to double check using my ruler. My line is 2 1/8. My segment AB is 2 1/8 inch, and CD is also 2 1/8 inch. So therefore, segment AB is congruent with segment CD. Let's construct a congruent angle. First, I'm going to start by drawing an angle, and I'm going to label it A. This is a 5-step. I want to make a congruent angle called S, and it is 5 steps. So my first step is to draw another ray, and I'm going to label this endpoint S. Second step, I'm going to go up to angle A, and arbitrarily I'm going to pick a width. I'm going to put my point on A, and I'm going to draw an arc that goes through both sides of the angle. And I know it's kind of hard to see. And I'm going to draw points and label them B and C. The next step, again at not necessarily a particular width, I'm going to change it here. I'm going to put the point on S, and I'm going to draw an arc through S. I'm going to label that intersection with a point, and I'm going to call it T. Back to my compass, and back to angle A. I'm going to open it with point on B and my pencil end on C. Again, I'm using this compass like a measuring tool, but I don't know what the length is. So there I have this width. I'm then going to come down to point T, and not changing the opening, I'm going to draw an arc, a small arc here, label that point T, Then using my straight edge, I'm going to draw this ray. I now have two congruent angles. Sorry, that's S. Angle A is congruent to angle S.